Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gautham. Today we are making our second robot, that is car gate. This is Avishkaar kit. Let's move into our parts. These are the parts: programming brain, L channel big size, rectangular plate, L beam, two sensors, L channel small size, nuts and bolts, axle lock, pillars, 3-hole connector, small flexi, motor and screwdriver. Let's go into our second robot. First, we need to take the rectangular plate and the L channel, keep it here and keep 2 screws here. I'll do the magic, it comes. Okay, next you'll be taking a L channel and a motor. You have to keep it like this. Then you have to take a axle lock, remove the lock and take a axle, keep it inside here. Like this. Like it. And next you have to keep the L channel here. I will show you like this. Then take a filler, keep it inside and take the L beam and keep a 3-hole connector like this. And then keep it inside it like this and take another axle lock, keep it inside and tighten it. Next, you have to take a U-beam and keep it here and tighten it. Like this. Next, you have to take these sensors, keep it here one side like this. Keep the nut the other one also. No need of one more, only one is enough. Next, we have to take the programming brain, remove the screws of it. And keep it up here. Like this, here and here. Next, you have to take the M1 motor, keep it here and a sensor here and here, sensor 1. Next, you have to take the another L beam, keep it here like this, like this. So our model is ready. Just on it, it works. I'll show you the code. So this is the code. Then click save, click complete. Then take the robot, keep the programming wire inside. Then click burn. Then the code enters the robot. Next, you have to take the bot and keep a screw here, like this. I'll show you. Like this, loose. Next, you have to take the rubber band, keep it inside, like this. I'll show you. Like this, you have to keep the rubber band inside. And let's see how it works. Brought the robot here, on the robot. And it works like this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and bye bye.